Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa. Today I want to show you the expiry dates of your content. If you want to create, for example, holiday season content, you will maybe want to create it for only available in December. So right now I have here my content, and when I click on it, I can select the start and end date. So imagine if this is a Christmas tree or a holiday content. We can select the specific dates for the holidays. So in this case, it would be 1st to 31st of December. This 2024, 2025 is also possible, of course. So if I click on save, the content will only be available in that specific period of time. So right now we can see here that it's not available in the app right now. Well, the other content is available in the app because it's available at the date from today. It's now March. So this is now available in December and this is available in March. Okay, that's how to set your expiry date or the date that your content is available. Thank you for watching.